Welcome to this video. This video is about sample size calculation. We will learn what is the purpose of sample size calculation, and we'll also learn about few terms that are used in calculating sample size calculation, such as margin of error and confidence level. And finally, we will solve two cases of an example to have a better understanding of sample size calculation. Let's begin. First, we will learn what is sample size calculation and why it is used. Imagine you are checking the quality of some product. You want to make sure you look at enough pieces to get a clear idea. If you check quality of very less number of products, you might miss important details. If you check too many products, you are wasting time and effort. So calculating the sample size helps you strike the right balance. It helps you to calculate how many products you will check so that you do not miss any details of the product and you save your time as well. This is called sample size calculation. Before moving on to the formula and the example, let's learn some important terms that will be used in the formula. Margin of error. It's the acceptable range of uncertainty. For example, if a survey says plus minus 3% points, it means the result could vary by up to 3%. Confidence level. It's the probability that the true value falls within the calculated range. For example, in 95% confidence levels means we are 95% sure that the true value is within the reported range. Now let's see the formula of the sample size calculation. This is the formula for the sample size calculation, where n is sample size, z is the desired confidence level. Like 95% confidence level, we take it as 1.96%. Sigma is the population standard deviation. E is margin of error. Now it's time to solve some example, guys. I have pasted the formula on the left side, and here is the data. We have sample size that is needed to be calculated. We have the confidence level. We have the confidence level of 95%, and that is 1.96 as z value. Standard deviation type S here, and in fonts just choose this symbol, and here we will get the sigma symbol in Microsoft Excel, and its value is 22. This is case 1. We will also solve case 2 for it. Margin of error, we call it as E, and that is 4. And now let's solve it, guys. We need to calculate n, and if you see the formula, we have to multiply z and sigma squared. So value of z is 1.96, it's raised to power 2, and we should multiply it with sigma squared, and sigma squared value is 22 raised to power 2, and here is the value. And now let's divide it with e square value. So I am selecting this, divided by value of e is 4 raised to power 2, and here is our sample size. So guys, that's how we calculate the sample size. And now let's solve its case 2. I'm just copying it. So I'm copying it, and let's paste it here. In this case, I will only change the value of standard deviation, that is sigma, just to see its effect on sample size. So if I change it from 22 to 28, and here as well, and here you can see the sample size has increased. So we have z and sigma value in the numerator. If we increase these two values, definitely the sample size will increase. But if we increase the error, that is actually the denominator value, the sample size will then get decreased. So that's how we can calculate the sample size. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.